Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about staying fit in the wintertime. Basically, what exercises should you be doing during the wintertime? Really? No, I'm not going to tell you exactly what exercises you need to be doing, but I will tell you to find out. Do some research. You know what exercises you can and can't do. Check with your doctor or chiropractor to find out what exercises are good for you to be doing during the wintertime. Because during the wintertime, if you're like me, when the temperatures start dropping, the muscles and everything start to contract, the back gets tight, and I can't do the same exercises right off the bat that I could in the summertime. I have to warm my muscles up, do certain exercises first to get the blood flowing, to get the body ready to do the more heavier exercises. All right. And I also need to work on stretches a little bit more in the wintertime than I do in the summertime, because the muscles and stuff, just because of the temperature and stuff, become less flexible. So you need to work on flexing exercises as well. All right. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, skills. And you really need to get prepped this winter, because I have a feeling things are going to go bad, and you don't want to end up like this.